Good morning, folks. Stephanie Lalo here at Lalo Acres. So I decided this morning to make some ginger shots. I like to add cranberry juice and blackberries. I added some lemon and coconut water. So come on in and see how I do it. It's super easy. Like, takes you 30 seconds. And the best part is ginger is like an antibacterial. Blackberries are an antioxidant. Cranberry helps with cleaning your system. And lemon is just overall amazing. So let's go into the kitchen. Let me show you what I do. Alrighty, folks, always clean your fruit, and the large pieces I just cut into smaller sections for the blender. Place everything in there. Half a container of coconut water and about a tablespoon of straight cranberry juice, and I just blend away. Next, you're going to strain it and push all of the pulp down. Some chunks may get in there. That's okay. The flesh is good for you. And reserve the pulp for other uses. Then I just funnel the juice into a glass jar, and I add the other half of the coconut water. And I also added about 3 ice cubes. I love this ice cube tray. It's amazing for water bottles. Give it a good shake and give yourself a good shot. Enjoy!